Good morning, students. Today we will study some properties of triangle. Now I have drawn a triangle, that is triangle ABC. Can see there are two parts. One is this area which is inside this triangle and another is outside of this triangle. Okay. This outside of this triangle, this part is known as exterior part, and this inside of this triangle is known as interior of this triangle. Okay. Now I have put a heading that exterior angles in a triangle. Now exterior angles means that is outside of this triangle. Okay, say if I say this triangle, is it an exterior angles? No, it is not an exterior angle related to this triangle. Okay, so let's define what is an exterior angle. Exterior angles formed by the sides and vertices of the triangle. That means exterior angle should have this vertices of this triangle. How many vertices that triangle is having? 3. So that exterior angle should include one of its vertices and its side. Okay, so let's draw. If I extend this side BC, okay, say this is up to D, and angle is formed here which includes this vertex C and this side AC and this extended of BC, that is CD. This angle ACD is an exterior angle. This is an exterior angle as it includes side, okay, and its vertices, and which is outside of the triangle, which is, it is not inside. These three angles, these are interior angles, okay, because these are inside this triangle, so interior, and this is outside of this triangle, this is exterior angle. Okay, now if I extend this line, okay, so then also this, say up to here, this angle BCE will also be an exterior angle because it includes this side BC and this extended side of AC, that is AE, and one of its vertex, that is C. So angle BCE will also be an exterior angle. Now the question is that angle, this angle, an exterior angle? No, it's not an exterior angle because vertex it is having, that is C, but it doesn't have any of its sides. Like both this CE and this CD, both are extended part of BC and AC. Okay, so it is not an exterior angle. Understood what is an exterior angle and what is an interior angle? It's not always that it is an only the exterior angle. If I extend this line, this will also be an exterior angle. If I extend this line, this angle, this angle, this angle will all are exterior angle. Okay, now we'll study an interesting property of exterior angle. The property of exterior angle is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. It says that exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite interior angles. Okay, so say this angle ACD is an exterior angle because it includes one of its vertex and this side AC and this extended side of BC. Okay, so this angle ACD is an exterior angle. Okay, this angle will be equals to sum of opposite interior angle, and it is having three interior angle which are all the opposite interior angle. This angle and this angle are the opposite interior angles because this angle, this is not an opposite interior angle because this is an adjacent angle with this because it is side by side. These two angles, they are opposite to this exterior angle. So this angle ACD equals to angle BAC, sum means addition, plus angle ABC. Okay, so if I want to prove this, so what we have to prove? We have to prove this angle ACD is equals to angle BAC plus angle ABC. For that, I will draw a parallel line. Draw a parallel line to this AB. Say this is CE from this point C. So AB is parallel to CE because I have drawn a parallel line. Now, as this AB and parallel to CE, so this angle and this angle, that will be equal because ABC will be equals to ECD because they are corresponding angles. As AB parallel to CE and this BD is a transversal. So this angle will equals to this angle because these are corresponding angles. Next is this AB parallel to CE and this is a transversal and AC is a transversal. So angle BAC equals to angle ACE because they are alternate interior angle. Okay, so what we have proved, this one is equals to this one and this one equals to this one. So angle ACD equals to sum of angle ACE plus angle ECD. Now what we have proved, this ECD equals to, we can write angle ABC and this ACE equals to angle BAC. So in place of ACE we can write angle BAC. Okay, so that we wanted to prove this only. Okay, so this property is proved. That means exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angles. This property will be very useful for you to solve many problems. let's do exercise 6.2. Question number 1 is find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. That means you have to find out this value of x when this interior opposite angle is given. What property you have to use? Just now we have learned that exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angle. So x will be equals to 50 degree plus 70 degree, that is 120 degree. Same here, x is an exterior angle here and these are opposite interior angle. Okay, so this will be equals to 30 degree plus 60 degree, it is 90 degree. Next is question number 2. Find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following diagrams. Okay, now this x is missing as one of interior angle and you have to find out its value. Okay, so according to the exterior angle sum property, what you know, that exterior angle is equals to opposite sum of opposite interior angle. So 115 degree equals to x plus 50 degree. Okay, so x will be equals to, if you transpose this 50 to left hand side, it will become this. Okay, so 5 and 6. Okay, so value of this x will be 65 degree. Same way that question number 3, when this sign is given, that is a symbol of 90 degree. That means that angle is not mentioned but it is 90 degree. So according to the property, you know this 125 degree equals to x plus 90. Now x will be equals to, if you transpose this 90 to this side, it will become 5 3. So it is 35 degree. Okay, and in all the cases you will write the property, that means exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angle. You will write that, then you will solve this type of question. That's all for today. Thank you.